Do you listen to fucking death metal? Cause fucking Furbies do. Look at him, he loves it. Ah! It's about that fucking time again. Woo! It's about that time again, boys. You know what this is? If you know what that is, then you know. It's round 2 from 12 years ago. Anyways, not gonna get into any issues here. I got my beads on, and I hope you do too. Time to fucking get wasted, turn up the fucking death metal, and get fucking high as fuck. I need a new shipment of beer. I need to get one of my friends here, Uber driver here. Get the fuck down here, man. Right now, let's get drunk, man. Fuck Uber. Oh. Not gonna say, but, you know. It's the way of the road. Fuck it. Ah, yeah. Anyways, this video is gonna be called How to Make a Chicken Wrap. Beauty. Fucking $18.99 each, man. Here you go. Piece of bread, boom. Chicken strips, on, boom. Sauce, we got a full one right here, but we want this one. Here you go, plum. Get some of that. Don't be fucking scarce about it. Just right about the size of the strip, eh? See that? Lots of sauce. That's what you need. See here? Lettuce, boom, on. Fuck, I'd pay $20 for that. $18.99. Better than the store, eh? Oh, good. Oh yeah, time to get high, play video games. What else are you gonna do? Fuck! Make videos. Cheers, guys. Oh. Give me 1 second here. Gotta look up a song. Oh. Fuck you, AI. I don't believe you. Are you AI? Am I AI? I think we maybe are AIs. We can't tell because we're from the fucking future, man. Fuck the Hadron Collider, man. We're fucking in another universe now, dude. Fuck the Milky Way. Don't get me started on this fucking music. I'm gonna fucking just keep drinking forever. Probably die. Crust punk, scumbags, fucking homeless, fucking drunks, drug addicts, and scum! No showers for months! Alright, cheers, fuck faces. Fuck Pabst Blue Ribbon, man. What a waste. Antisocial masturbator. Yeah, that's G.G. Allen. I think it's right here. Is it on this one? I don't know. It's on one of them. Doesn't even say the songs, just shows the credits. Fuck you, Elon Musk. Elon Musk would be Gigi's best friend. I'd promote him. I'd give Gigi $1 million, see what he does. He'd have been dead a lot sooner. What's that one that they're... What's that one? The one that I like. Oh, this one. Self-destructive anthem. But anyways, cheers, you fuck faces. It's about hanging out with Jim. Hanging out with the Metal 40, and that's been a great time. I love you. And I don't love anybody. Just people that fucking watch my videos. Alright? We're going nowhere!